You got the R32 and the Supra. Lots of people coming up. Look at that line. It's literally, I came here on time and it's still already packed. So hopefully this meet doesn't get shut down, but it's looking like the turnout's gonna be insane. Got an RX-8 right here. Don't see too many of those. Clean. Damn, boy, you are slammed. Sheesh. Subi's all over here. Mini Cooper just trying to get out of here. S2K is pulling up. One of them's an Arizona T-Can. Oh shit, what the hell? There's the feds. The feds are here, bruh. Oh, these boys clean, alright. These boys clean. Stumbled upon this Miata. Got a heart tail light. And then obviously it's got the aftermarket headlights. Oh, here's their at right here. Yo, this is clean, okay. Nice. Yo, this thing is clean. Okay. I see you. Nice rear end. All right, man. I don't know where this is from, but it's clean. It's cool. Nice. Got a wing. Bunch of anime stickers. I've seen this car a few times, so gotta stop by and film it a little bit. Yo, this thing is crazy clean, man. Look at that. Oh, clean. Nah, what the? Get out of here. Hey, this boy's saucy right here. Oh, this is a really clean M3, man. Full cage and everything. I feel like I've seen this car before. I'm trying to look for the at. It's really clean though. It's next to a Nismo 370Z. Nice. Alright, so right behind the M3 is two Supras and then a R32. Holy shit, that's loud. Alright, bro. The Evos are getting ready to leave. It's extremely clean S2000 with a hard top. RPF ones. Pretty mint. All the Europeans posted up. Found this RSX in the corner by itself. Pretty clean. Not bad. Lots of people coming in. Whole shopping, parking lot's basically full. Yo, this thing is clean, bruh. Alright. Alright, I see you. Nice. Let's get a little bit of a walk around. Carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber. Jeez, I blinked out. Carbon fiber hardtop. Y'all got love for this wagon though? Yeah. I'm not talking to you. Dude, this thing's mint. This thing is mint. Ended up buying some stickers.
Hell yeah.
We both bought it. But I had to buy this because this Erza from Fairy Tail is what I named my car, so I had to get it. See? Perfect match. I get those out of there. Hey, this is clean, boy. Sheesh. Alright, I see you. Well, it looks like everyone's getting ready to leave. It's almost 11, so makes sense. But hopefully you guys like that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.